Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Flan De Leche updated. Start by preheating your oven to a gentle 325 degrees F and prepare a water bath. Heat sugar slowly until it becomes amber caramel, then pour into a mold. Whisk together 3 eggs, 1 can sweetened condensed milk, and 2 cups whole milk until smooth. Strain the custard, pour over caramel, and bake in the water bath until set and just jiggles. To make the caramel, use a heavy saucepan and medium heat for even melting. Add sugar in an even layer and let it liquefy with occasional gentle swirling, not stirring. Once it reaches a deep amber color, carefully tilt the pan and pour the caramel into your flan mold to coat the bottom evenly. Work quickly because caramel sets fast. Allow the mold to cool while you prepare the custard to avoid premature cooking. If you're enjoying the tutorial, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing recipes and tips. Quick recommendation. I love these leak-proof meal prep containers for storing flan or leftovers, and they make transferring desserts so much easier. Check the description for the link and other deals. I share tools I actually use, plus smart kitchen shortcuts, and I appreciate your support. Now let's get back to the video. Whisk the eggs gently to avoid incorporating too much air, then add sweetened condensed milk and whole milk, mixing until fully combined. Strain the mixture through a fine sieve to eliminate lumps and bubbles, which helps achieve a velvety texture. Pour the custard over the cooled caramel and place the mold in a bain-marie or deep pan with hot water reaching halfway up the mold. Bake at 325 degrees F until the center just jiggles, then cool completely before chilling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.